you superhuman or worse than average? In what, you might ask? Juggling? Nah. How well can you hear? We have the coolest hearing test for you. So, testing. 1, 2, 3, 946 176 3871. Did you get those last 10 digits? That was an important phone number, actually. And this was the shortest, coolest hearing test ever. Just kidding. It was not. However, being able to hear all those numbers is something you owe to your ears. An average human is capable of hearing frequencies from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. The older we get, the harder it becomes for us to hear high-frequency sounds. The worse it gets, the fewer chances you have of hearing the birds sing, the beeping of your microwave, and even consonants like S, H, or F. You don't want that to happen to you, right? Do you have any reasons to worry about it? How can you test your ears? Well, Brightside has a simple but 100% accurate test you can take, and we're going to run it in a few moments. When it's done, we're going to share some fun facts on hearing we bet you didn't know. Are you ready for it? Then give this video a like, and let's get started. What should you do? Put on your headphones. Make sure you're in a quiet place with no background noises. If you are surrounded by people, politely tell them to shush up. Pardon me, we are running a vital experiment here, you know. Could you please put a lid on it? Just remember to say please and be persistent. You are going to be exposed to sound frequencies a human ear can perceive. We'll travel across and beyond the human audio spectrum. As soon as your ears start actually perceiving the sound, stop the video and you will see your results. Ready? Let's go.
Why? For your face.
You didn't hear that one, did you? You did? Oh, sorry. Here it goes for real.
His face is so...
Wow. Okay.
I don't want to.
Figure out what fungus. Push on it a little bit. I'm gonna take a shower real quick. We got time.
Well done. Now, let's see how many of us have average or better than average hearing. Hit thumbs up if you start perceiving the sound at 15,000 hertz or earlier. If your results are not so good, don't panic. Your age influences your ability to hear high frequencies, remember? If it's really bad, try it again. Maybe the sound was off on your computer. If you're perfectly sure it's not the computer to blame, you might want to see a doctor to figure out what's up. Okay, enough with the test. Now let's take a look at 10 fun facts about hearing we bet you didn't know. Counting down from number 10. The 3 smallest bones in your body are the ones in your ears. The malleus, incus, and stapes. They work as a team to transmit sounds to your brain. If one of them breaks, you might experience conductive hearing loss. Number 9. Women are better listeners than men. Duh, what's new? In fact, we are not talking about the female ability to perceive information and feel the pain of others. Ladies tend to lose hearing abilities later than men. Number 8. The sound level at a concert is roughly the same as that of a plane during takeoff, 120 decibels of sound. You don't want to overexpose your ears to that. Earplugs can be a good idea at loud events. Number 7. If you think your ears stop hearing when you're sleeping, you're wrong. At this time, it is the brain that decides to ignore the sounds around you. So your ears never stop working 24/7. Number 6. What do snakes and fish have in common? They lack ears. Snakes hear thanks to their jawbone, and ridges on their bodies help fish perceive sounds. Number 5. Who do you think is the best listener in the world? Yes, it's my mom. Well, actually, the king of hearing, the one and only moth.
No, I
Moths
didn't.
can hear better than anyone else in the world.
My
Their hearing
toothbrush.
is 150
No, I don't
times
have a
better than
toothbrush for
ours.
you. Because I'm not using that one.
Number 4. The bats come second after the moth. Their frequency level is about 212 kilohertz. Hearing and echolocation help them hunt like pros in complete darkness. Number 3. Famous for their huge ears, elephants are doing well when it comes to hearing things too. Their hearing frequency is between 16 hertz to 12 kilohertz. Number 2. A great hunter and Harry Potter's best friend, sorry Ron, the owl can perceive sounds between 200 hertz and 12 kilohertz. Not bad. And number 1. Finally, the animals we all love and keep close to us, cats and dogs. Their hearing abilities are pretty amazing, with a frequency range of 45 hertz to 64 kilohertz. Dogs can even tell their owner from other people when they hear footsteps. So, don't be surprised you can hear your fluffy friend bark enthusiastically long before you open the front door. Just don't be surprised if it turns out to be your cat. We'll talk about barking cats in a future video. We hope you like this easy test and its results. Share them in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. More cool updates are on their way to you. Life is better on the bright side.